Hey everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how we can create a Ganesha app for this Ganesh Chaturthi. So this is an Indian festival. We're going to create an app for this. So here we go. So let's click on the new project and my project name is Ganesha app. Use the layout and use the vertical layout. I'm going to make that width and height is fill parent like this. I'm going to use here one image like this. Okay, in a center I'm going to do this like this, and I'm going to use here one label to display the Aarti. Okay, and one more thing, I'm going to use here one button for the sound. Okay, so here I can do first, I need to download the Ganesha image. So use the Pixabay like this, Ganesha, download this picture, click on download. We have one picture and the desktop. Go here, upload that file, choose file and upload that image. That image height and width is around, that should be around, height is around 30% maybe. And the width is as it is. Let me just check, click on image, click on that picture option here and select that picture. Wait, yeah, cool. But I need to do one thing here. For a height, I need to make it as like, fill parent or maybe the 30%. Let's try. And width is automatic like this. So this is Ganesha. Okay, we have. And click on vertical arrangement. Make sure this slide is should be fill parent like this. Cool. This is the Ganesha image here. Okay. Or I can add any other image, background image. Okay. So like background, this one look fine, this one look cool. Okay, I'm gonna add this picture as a background image, vertical arrangement, and you can see the image option, upload file, choose file, picture. I have that. Okay, so first let's put the Aarti in this level. So make sure width should be around 70% for this, like this, and font is around 20, and you can change this to the text to the white. Okay, so font style should be text with white, not default, that should be white. Save it like this. So let's get a Aarti from ChatGPT, Ganesha Aarti. So just copy and paste that Aarti from here and go to your app and just paste that text here. Now you can do one more thing here, okay, and just make it font is like something sans serif will be fine. Just try this. Okay, so this is the Ganesha Aarti we have. Now here's one more thing you can do. I'm going to use here one, the vertical scroll arrangement here, and under this I'm going to just put that Aarti. So I can scroll that. Okay, so just vertical arrangement width is around 50%. Okay, like this, and not 50, that should be fill parent, but the height is around 50%. Now I'm going to just change this to the black one. So now we can scroll the Aarti and we can read it. Okay, so this is our Ganesha picture, this is our Aarti, and this is one button. So just button is like for the sound. Okay, so this is, and for this this button, I'm gonna just make this button width is 70% and change the background color of that button to something is like, and this font style should be bold. So once someone click on that Puja app, okay, Puja button, so what will happen, there's one Aarti will start playing. Okay, so how we can do this? So it's very simple, is that I'm gonna just use your user interface and just drag and drop one player here from here, go to the media, just close this media, just drag and drop that player here. Okay, go to the here and just download the Aarti mp3 file. Okay, Ganesha Aarti mp3 file download. Also open that website and just click on three dot and just download that file. Okay, upload that file, choose file. I have this mp3 file, and okay, let's go to the sources and select the mp3 file. Let's wait some second to upload that file. It's done. Source, upload that mp3 file. It's done. And whenever someone click on that Puja button, okay, it means this one button, so that start playing. You can just add one more button like this one to stop. Okay, so how can I do this? So I can simply use here one layout like horizontal arrangement here like this. I can put that, let me just make it as a font. I'm going to just put it here, and this button also like this. Okay, and button 1 I'm going to just make it is 40%, and button 2 is around 40%. Okay, this one is for stop. So whenever someone click on the button 2, so we can stop the music or we stop the aarti. Cool. So it's very simple and very basic app that we created for the Ganesh Puja. Okay, this is the Indian festival. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.